Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. This is a package opening and inspection. I received nothing in this episode is a promotion nor is a recommendation, but I'll name a product name or two. I received this package this past Friday. Thank you, USPS Rural Delivery. And I ordered it like 3 days earlier, and it came from I don't know where. Now this is Rock Auto. And it's a part for my car. I have a Mercury Sable. I can get this to work. Can I get this to work? Why am I having trouble when I come out here to do a video? Why can't I get this open? All right, kill it. Hello folks, this is Steve AB4L. I'm out by the carport. This is a package opening and preliminary inspection. Nothing in this episode is a promotion nor is a recommendation, but I am going to mention a couple of names. This is Monday, I received this on Friday. Thank you, my rural USPS. And I ordered it like 3 days before that, and I considered this on-time fast delivery. Now, I have an old car, an old Mercury Sable. And I put up videos about the code, I think it's O401, P0401, something like that. EGR, exhaust gas recirculation, not working right. Well, lately, now the light that's coming on is EGR, but a couple of months ago, I cleaned out the passageway like I show in the instructional videos. Box is good. Can I do this without cutting myself? Okay. This is exactly what I ordered. Wait a minute, let me get the part number. Yes. EGR 1319. EGR 1319. Yes. Now, this is my invoice. I have a box in the house that looks exactly like this. Back, I'd have to look at the videos, how many years it is. Let's say it's at least 8, maybe 10. I was having exhaust gas recirculation problems. I had it periodically on the car, and I figured out scraping out the exhaust EGR passageway on the front of the air intake plenum would clear up most of that. But then I also figured out that in one case, because of the age of the car, in dog years, it's older than even me, from the 90s, that the EGR valve might also need to be replaced. Now, when I went to Rock Auto, they offered me a couple of choices, but I had put in this specific EGR 13, BWD EGR 1319, because that's exactly what's on the car now and has done great for, like, let's say 10 years. And what did the Rock Auto site, now there's 2 gaskets, you need 2 gaskets. It's brand new. See, the gas goes in here, and there's a controller, and there's a pin there that closes the port, and it lets it come back out this way and gets recirculated however the engine design is. On Rock Auto, it said, last one, the wholesaler is cleared out. Now remember, my car's from the 1990s. Now I'm going to mention another business. My friend Scott, the best auto mechanic in North Carolina, in my considered opinion. I'm not kidding. Scott's Auto down there, less than a quarter mile, eighth of a mile from my house. In the last 2 years during the COVID, he's been telling me how progressively harder it's been to get car parts, especially for the kind that he fixes, which tend to be older models. You see where I'm going? And by going to now, did I go to the local parts guys like Advance Auto? Yes. Do they have anything in stock in North Carolina? No. I went to like 3 or 4 of them. So I went to Rock Auto. And there it was. And the last one that they had, that was this. Now they had 2 others that supposedly would also work on the car, but this was specifically the one I wanted. Let me pause. All right, now I'm back. I'm going to put a rubber band around this so I can't confuse them. This is the box I bought 10 years ago. EGR 1319. Okay? Now this would be, it's a standard replacement for this EGR valve, EG valve, exhaust gas valve, whatever that means. But the point is, this is the box from BWR, and this is the particular company that's selling parts, and they put their part label on for inventory. Got it? 10 years ago. Oh, excuse me. This is the one I took off that I believe was original equipment. Yep, it's got a Ford number on it. See the Ford number? This is the original valve that was on my car when I bought this and put the valve that was in this box on the car 10 years ago. And what I'm saying is I'm so totally happy with the service of that part. I'm not promoting anything, I'm telling you facts. That when I clean out the EGR valve soon again, I'm going to replace this valve also at the same time and put this one on, which is brand new in the box. Possibly made 10 years ago or more. Excuse me for going on and on. Got it? No, there's no way I would confuse those 2 valves. The casting looks different, and this has got the Ford numbers on it. So that was the original Mercury Sable part. All right. And Scott, where did I learn about Rock Auto? From Scott, because that's where he orders some of his parts. I'm not promoting anything. Am I giving away any of his secrets? I think Rock Auto is basically taking over the older model replacement parts market. Their site is huge. They've got everything. I'm not promoting anything. I'm elated because Scott has been telling me over and over again how hard it is to get parts, especially for the older. Notice how I'm saying that, especially for the older models, not just for the older models. COVID, supply chain disruption, da-da-da-da-da-da. Steve AB4 with a big smile on his face. It looks great, undamaged, ready to put on my old buggy, saying, see you in 73.